We see it all the time. You find a supplier on Alibaba with great prices, but then the quality is terrible. Or they add hidden fees later. Last month, a client almost lost $8,000 because the factory couldn't actually produce the sportswear they promised. Random suppliers are a real gamble. Tip 1. Verify suppliers properly. Don't just trust their Alibaba profile. We check their official business license with the Chinese government. We visit to see their real production capacity. And we confirm their export history. One factory claimed 10 years experience, but their license was only 2 years old. Tip 2. Always get proper fabric samples. Ask for physical swatches before you order. Check the stretch, the feel, and make sure the composition label matches what they promised. We had a case where the 92% polyester was actually 70%. Catching that early saved a $15,000 order. Tip 3. Understand MOQ negotiations. Many factories list high minimums, like 500 pieces per style. You can often start with 100 to 200 pieces to test the relationship. Once you prove you're a serious buyer, you can negotiate better terms. We help clients reduce MOQs by 30 to 40% on average. Tip 4. Time your quality inspections right. Don't wait until everything is packed. We inspect when 20% of production is complete. This way, if there's a stitching or logo issue, the factory can fix it immediately. Catching problems early prevents costly remakes later. Tip 5. Plan for shipping and customs from the start. Sea freight from China takes 30 to 45 days. Air is faster but costs 3 to 4 times more. And don't forget import duties, they can add 10 to 25% to your cost. We help clients budget for all this so there are no surprises. Here are common mistakes to avoid. First, not having a clear contract in Chinese and English. Second, skipping the pre-shipment inspection to save $200. Third, giving vague specifications like "make it look sporty." Be specific about every detail, from thread color to packaging. This is where our team comes in. We handle the entire process for you. We find verified suppliers, negotiate prices, manage quality inspections, and arrange shipping. You get one point of contact instead of dealing with 5 different companies. It's simpler and much less stressful.